This lady took her husband to court because she wanted a custody of their son. Okay, now after the review of the case, the judge gave a striking judgment. Now, I want you to take your time and watch this video because many people are saying different things concerning what the judge said and what the lady that brought her husband to court said. Now, many things have been said about the video, many things have been said about the case. So, I want you to be the one to watch it, and after watching it, please go to the comment section and drop your comment. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video.
So, Sandra,
Good evening.
why are you back here?
I came in respect of my son again. You gave instruction for me to be going to see him. So I used to go see him. I do go see him rather when I have chance because I resumed work. So anytime I have off, I do go see him. So whenever I go see him, from the beginning he was not complaining, but at some point he had to. He always tell me that, "Mommy, I have something to tell you." I said, "Okay," but the school, the owner of the school, is always interrupting, so there was no space. So before I got to the school, he has called the teacher or the owner of the school to tell them what and what to do. So I just sit with my son, and I will have to leave before he goes to his class. So one day I came to see him. I did not see him for like 3 weeks. I think the 3rd week was when I came to the school to see him, and I saw a mark on his eyelid, very close to his eye. I have the pictures on my phone. So I was like, "What happened to you?" He said, "It's his stepmother's mother that beats him, used the fingernails very." I was like, "What did you do?" He said he was washing plates, so he mistakenly poured too much soap inside the bowl of water, and the woman came and said some nasty words to him, and he stood there and was staring at him. You know, we Nigerians and culture, so he stood there with angry face and was staring at the woman, and the woman beat him, and I don't know how the hand went, and it was on his eyelid. So, and I said, "Did you tell your dad?" He said he told his dad. His dad told him sorry, and he showed me some marks on his body, wire. He said sometimes they use wire to beat him, cord to beat him.
Stanley,
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
are you aware of this? All these things she's saying. Are you hearing it for the first time or have you heard it before?
Actually, the one she's talking about wire, that's not true. That's not true. There's no wire in my house. That's not true. The the eyelid that she talked about, it was when she on her own reported it to me. Then I had to call and make a video, and I discovered that it was a mistake. The woman wanted to drag him closer. Then her hand hit his eye below here. That was what happened. Then I also asked Jackson. I said, "What happened to you? Why? How did they hit you?" He said he did something wrong. And I said, "Okay, what did you do?" And he did not tell me. I said, "What did you do? Because you cannot do something good and they just drag you. What did you do?" He doesn't want to tell me. So I just told my wife that, "Please tell your mother, don't touch my son. If there's anything he does, you on your own should handle it, not her." And that was it.
Ma, he just lied. He just lied because Jackson told me himself that he told him. And this thing happened when he has not traveled. I said, "Was it when your father was around?" He said, "Yes."
He didn't deny knowledge of it. All he said is he believed it was a mistake. Then secondly, he has warned her that such things should not happen again and she should not do that any longer. I mean, that's what he just said.
He's lying that he was not around when it happened, but he was around.
Your Honor,
he has not traveled when it happened.
Your Honor, I wasn't around. I am here in Dubai.
So is the boy lying?
The bottom line is you can't
I
prove
want
that because you
to
don't live in that house. So it's difficult for me to say who is saying, do you understand, is what you have said and what Jackson must have said. And the bottom line is there must not be a repetition of it again. Do you understand, Mr. Stanley? There shouldn't be repetition
no
of
problem,
it.
man. No issue.
And before they leave the courtroom today, I'll check his body. And periodically,
He's not here. He's not in the court.
he's not around.
He was supposed to be here and he's not here. Please.
How come he's not here? So when are you bringing him over?
I sent, he was sick. I sent,
I said, when are
evidence
you?
to
I said,
the
when
lady.
will you bring him over?
He
That was
was
the
sick
last
and
thing I
nobody
asked
told
you.
me.
Okay, whatever the next review, whichever
Okay,
the next review.
the legal team will get across to you. Then she just made a statement now because you said the boy is sick and she claimed that nobody has informed her before now.
It was yesterday. Yesterday, he had stomach pain and he was developing temperature. They called me around 2 a.m. my time. 2 a.m. my time is 11 p.m. Nigerian time. So that was when I had to call my sister.
Has he been to the hospital?
Of course, he has been to the hospital. I sent evidence to the team. Your team has every evidence. Both the pictures, the videos, the receipt for payment, everything. The hospital.
Have you seen it?
I sent it to your team.
No, I don't know he was sick. I don't know my son was sick. I don't know anything. And
I
to
sent
the
everything
even
to
to the
your
extent
team.
of taking him to the hospital, I still don't know. And he complained that he does not eat well. That the only time he eats well is when the only time they treat him right is when the father is around.
Have you heard that, Stanley? Something you have to work on.
A lot of things that this boy is bottling up. They are telling him in the house before I come to see him that he should not tell me things.
I don't know what. Ma, they have food in the house. Like I literally buy food from here, send money for food. Food is never a problem. Even I used to give him an extra money to go to school. But the reason why I stopped giving him an extra money to go to school is he buys junks. He buys junks with it. And that's not good for his health. Despite he's taking food to school, he still buys junks. Now, she on her own saying she always comes to see him. I don't think she has been to that school 5 times since we left the court the previous time.
Do you have the
And
school
anytime
number
she comes to the school,
to give to the
anytime
judge?
she comes to the school, she always buys sweets. That was what the doctor complained. That was what the doctor complained. She buys sweets, lots of chocolates, and that's not good for his health.
Of course, I will buy sweets for him. I will buy biscuits and other things for him. Should I buy block?
I'm telling you the reason why he's sick.
Liar.
She's not buying things like.
You are so full of lies.
I am not here to argue with her.
He has.
And you two, don't be far from your son. Go regularly. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have to go more regularly. It's not just about going there physically. You can call him and speak with him as well.
There's nobody to call. There is nobody to call.
Can you provide a phone for your son? Can you provide a phone for your son so that she can reach?
The boy is just 10 years old. He's getting to 10 years old. I don't think
so. You make your phone available. Anytime she wants to speak with you, then you make your phone available. Is that okay?
I am not in the country.
Is abroad?
I'm not in the country.
Yes.
So provide somebody.
That is why.
Who is the boy staying with now?
His wife.
The boy is supposed to be with you. If the boy is not with you, you should be with the mom. That's what the law says.
I want custody of my
son. If the boy is not with you, then you are going to forfeit custody.
I want custody of my son.
You had the opportunity to have the custody in the first place. So this your cry of I want custody now for me is funny. You had the opportunity the last time, you forfeited it.
Ma, I explained the reason why I.
Well, where we are, the bottom line right now Stanley, are you listening to me?
Yeah, I'm with you.
What the law requires is for your son to either be with you or be with the mother. And the other party must not deny access, must not be denied access to the child.
He has eczema on his face. His teeth, his breath smells so bad. I had to buy him.
You don't have the right to complain about that. You had the opportunity to keep him under your roof. And you refuse that. So do you understand me? You see,
Your Honor.
let me tell you one thing about life. For every choice that you make, you decide to live with the consequences with it. Don't cry wolf. Do you understand me? And nobody has denied you, because I was waiting for you to tell me that they denied you access to the boy. But somehow that didn't come up.
No.
So he has complied with the court ruling. Quite all right. The only challenge I have now is what the law requires is for your son to either be with either of you. But right now he's abroad and he's not here. So, where do you stay?
I stay at Ayobo.
You stay at Ayobo. What do you do for a living right now?
I work as a promoter. I work as a promoter in a shopping mall. We just finished an activation in Spa Lekki.
So you are going to have the custody. Stanley, the custody of your son. What's your son's name again?
Jackson Chukwemeka.
Okay. Custody of Jackson will move to her for now, okay? Do you understand? Until when you are back in the country and you know you can live with your son, you can come back. Do you understand me?
What's going to happen to his school here? His schooling, what's going to happen to it? I told you I normally pay for a full section. I pay for a full section. I don't pay first time, second time, third time. I pay for a full section. What will happen to it? The last time she took this child away and traveled to wherever she traveled to, a whole year, 1 full year, 2 years plus, this boy did not go to school.
That's a lie. That's a lie. Your father came to his school that I registered him. That is a lie.
He allowed a full section. He allowed a full section to pay.
Stanley, that is a lie. That is a lie.
She took my son.
You are saying no.
Not even a school. She took my
Stanley,
son.
that is a lie.
You are claiming you want custody of this son. The daughter, your.
I don't blame you anyways. From the beginning, I didn't have who fought for me. It wouldn't have gotten to this stage.
Your daughter is not with you, and you want custody of my son. I don't get it.
So it is your wife who is not the mother of the child that has the right to take care of my child. Eh?
When she's talking, I wasn't talking. I don't understand.
Your wife is not always in the house. It is she will leave my son for her mother. You went like this, your wife went like this and leave my child for your mother-in-law. You are using my son to do love.
So now, I'm going to give my ruling, and I've stated the reason. So the custody moves back to Sandra, and anytime you're in the country, you come for access and come for review. That's my ruling.
All rise.